Hello everyone, my name is Gian Anggraini. I'm from S1 Informatics and today I will be explaining on the most important concepts in computer architecture with its control unit operation. Uh, Introduction. Before we dive into how the control unit works, let's start with a short overview. Every computer system follows the von Neumann architecture, which consists of three main components: the arithmetic logic unit atau disebut ILU, the memory unit, and the control unit CU. The control unit acts as the brain of the CPU. It does not perform actual calculation like the ALU, but it directs and coordinates all the operation within the computer. In other words, if the CPU were an orchestra, the control unit would be the conductor, making sure every instrument, meaning every component. What is control unit? The control unit CU is a part of the central processing unit that manages and coordinates the operation of the computer. Its main job is to fetch, decode, and execute instructions stored in memory. Fetch, the control unit retrieves the instruction from memory. Decode interprets what that instruction means. Execute, it directs the other components like the ILU or registers to perform the required action. And the role of the control unit, the SU, ensures the CPU functions properly and in the correct sequence. Its specific roles include directing data flow between the CPU memory and input-output device, generating control signals to tell each component what to do, coordinating timing so that each part of the CPU operates at the right moment, managing interaction execution, ensuring each step of the instruction cycle is complete before the next begins. Types of control unit. There are two main types of control units based on how they generate control signals. Hardware control unit. In a hardware control unit, the control signals are generated by fixed hardware circuits, typically a combination of logic gates, flip-flops, and decoders. Is It is fast because it operates directly through electrical circuits. However, it is less flexible if the instructions change. The hardware itself must be redesigned. Micro Microprogrammed control unit. In this type, the control signals are produced by running micro instructions stored in a special memory called control memory. It is slower than hardware control but more flexible because changing the control program can easily modify the instruction. This approach is widely used in complex CPUs where flexible and upgraded are employed. The introduction cell in detail. Now, let's discuss introduction. Fetch pass. The control unit sends the address of the next instruction from the program center PC to the memory unit. The instruction is then fetched from memory and stored in the register atau sub ER. Finally, the program counter is incremented to point to the next instruction. The control unit decodes the instruction in the ear to understand what operation needs to be performed and which operands are influenced. For example, if Mike identifies that the instruction is addition between two registers, execute pass, the SU sends approved control signals to the ALU register and other components perform the operation. After execution, the result on operable memory. This fast decoded execute cycle happens millions or even billions of times per second modern processor. Components involved in control unit operation. Instruction register ER holds the current instruction being executed. Program center PC keeps track of the address of the next instruction. Memory address register MAR store the address of data or instruction to be fetched. Memory data register MDR temporarily holds the data fetched from memory. Clock synchronizes all operations to ensure proper timing. And next, control signals. Control signals are the electrical inputs that tell each component what to do. For example, a signal may tell the ILU to perform addition, another signal may tell memory to read or write data. Yes, another might enable a specific register to store value. Example of control unit operation. Let's take a simple example. Suppose the introduction at R1, R2, this meant at contains R1 and register R2. Here, a control will fetch the introduction from memory. The code it understand that the operation is addition. Send control signals to the ALU to perform addition, store the result back into the designated receiver. Even for this simple instruction, the control unit performs multiple micro operations in perfect sequence, proving how essential its coordinator is. Mungkin sekian dari saya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.